yeah, we ready for that live breaking news, that camera B-roll action of these two walking out with their hands behind their back. Yeah, y'all hit that like button if you ready for that live B-roll camera view action, live on there, breaking news of these two walking out with their hands behind their back in handcuffs. Yeah, and it's a bunch of them that need to be held accountable. A bunch of them. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, we got some breaking news. Before we get into it, I wanted to just tell you guys I love y'all, man, that I'm wishing the best in all you beautiful people's life, man. My brothers and sisters, them beautiful patriots. That you guys are blessed, well, and healthy, man. One love to the human race. Y'all claim that and spread that, man. Spread that this holiday spirit, this Christmas, man. You never know what somebody is going through, what they're battling with, man. I'm telling you right now, it's getting real out here. And these last 3.5, 4 years have been an absolute disgrace, man. But I love you guys, man. And we're going to continue to spread the love. We're going to continue to call it for what it is. And we can't wait for January 20th. To get here, man. Prayers for Trump, his cabinet, his team, his family, because we still do not know what to expect next, as you can see here. And it just keeps coming, you know. But there's a lot of people that need to be held accountable. They need to put their hands behind their back. Yeah, investigate it, disbar, remove a lot of them. But we want to thank them. We want to thank them. Because without them, without this other side, we wouldn't have won so bigly. We wouldn't have won the way we did. You know, besides the border and, you know, the economy and other things that people really, really care about that really, really matter. You know, if we didn't have this corrupt side, they put the icing on the cake. That's what we say. They put the icing on the cake. And now me and them beautiful patriots get the crack open a cold one. Woo! And we got extra cake with ice cream too. Pies, all kind of stuff. I'll tell you some good stuff, man. Them Patriots got some good stuff, I'm telling you. It feels good to be on the winning side, y'all. It feels good to be on the winning side. But we just get win after win after win. And I believe they're gonna be held accountable. Let's go and get into this. Make sure y'all, if you haven't already, hit that like button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. We keep it real, we have fun, man. If you don't like that, I'm sorry. Don't know what to tell them if you don't like to have fun and keeping it real. You know, yay. Let's check this out, though. This is an absolute disgrace.
And New York Judge Juan Merchan upholding President-elect Trump's conviction for falsifying business records. He says the Supreme Court's immunity ruling...
Both of them. And that big one, too. Yeah. Put your hands behind your... disgrace to New York. Embarrassment. You know? And you just can't win. Yeah. How that Daniel Penny case play out for you? Make me sick, man. Make me sick. Ah! Yeah. Now y'all, then they didn't send Black Life. He off Black Lives Matter. I mean, just an absolute disgrace. You know. And I'm glad that Daniel Penny was with that he went and met President Trump, took pictures with him, at him with the game. Yeah, we just keep winning. But it ain't a victory until they got them cameras, that breaking news and that B-roll action of that camera team got him, his daughter, a lot of them. It's a whole bunch of them. When they got their hands behind their back, a full-blown investigation. You know, remove disbarment. Yeah. When he come out with his glasses off, they don't even got their glasses on. With their hands behind their back in them handcuffs. That's when we'll get a full victory, y'all. I'm sorry, I don't mean to keep talking. I apologize. I'm going to stop talking, y'all.
Does not apply in this case. Jonathan Turley joins us now. What was the judge's reasoning? If you were to put yourself in his shoes, what was he saying?
Well, he really iron-plated this decision. He said, first of all, this was not official conduct, but even if it was official conduct, it wasn't protected. And even if it was protected and some evidence came in that shouldn't have come in, it was all harmless error. So you can pick any one of those three and he would still be good to go. That is an opinion that is likely to get support from some people on the appellate level. What's interesting about the opinion is it really contradicts what many in the media have said for months, that the Supreme Court's decision granted sweeping immunity, that it was a, quote, death squad ruling. Merchan had no difficulty in finding exceptions that might apply to this case. And so I think a lot of judges would probably agree with the outcome, not necessarily all of the reasoning of Judge Merchan, but we will have to see. There are good faith arguments the Trump team made and will make on appeal.
And Stephen Chung, as a Trump spokesperson, said this: the decision is a direct violation of the Supreme Court's decision on immunity and other longstanding jurisprudence. President Trump must be allowed to continue the presidential transition process and execute the vital duties of the presidency. Could this spill into the new administration?
Well, that's the real question we're struggling with, Dana, here, because this judge has the longest performance of Hamlet in the history of New York and Broadway. I mean, we're waiting for him to just simply reach these decisions so that we can have clarity and, more importantly, an appeal. So he's got a number of objections to how he handled the trial. Some of us believe the trial is riddled with reversible error. He's
a complete sham. This is a disgrace, y'all. You know, I'll be honest with you, man. They wiped the man through the mud. And they thought they were going to win, too. That's what killed me. They thought they were going to win. I'll tell you, my favorite clip when Trump came out in that news, in that live on it was funny. He came out where he was giving the where they were asking him questions, and he says, "Not even Mother Teresa could beat these charges." It is a disgrace what is going on in New York. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. Not even Mother Teresa can beat these charges. If we have that, we'll pull it up. I love that from Trump, man. Yeah, the boss is back, y'all. Yeah, and I hope they all get held accountable, man, for real.
He's unlikely to find that he committed those errors, and then he's got to deal with the sentencing question.
We still don't know the crime. We don't know what crime was committed. We still don't know. The man that won the election and everything. The man that just had a landslide. We still don't know what the crime was. Yeah, we done got all kind of stuff. Shout out to Big Fanny, and her boyfriend, her lover. Yeah, all of them. Letitia James. We done got mug shots. Yeah, they done made millions of dollars off that mug shot shirt. Yeah, it just been y'all just gave this man win after win after win. You know, the fake news. Then got sued, and now they got to pay millions of dollars and apologize to the man. Yeah, y'all all thought it could work. They sent the DEI hire out there. She drunk as hell, don't know where she at, and say, "Ma'am, just repeat that he's a felon, that he's a bad man, and that he's dividing the country." How did that work out for you? And that he's Hitler. He's Hitler. Make sure you say out loud that the man is Hitler and that he's a threat to democracy. How did that work out for him? Yeah, how did that work out for him? But I'll tell you, man, this judge needs to be held accountable, man, for real.
You have District Attorney Bragg saying, well, maybe we should just leave him in sort of suspended animation for 4 years. That would leave the leash in the hands of Judge Merchan, this state trial judge who would just sit there pending a sentencing on the president. And I think many Democrats would like that. They would like him to be this defendant in waiting for 4 years. It's a perfectly horrific idea. And I hope that he doesn't take that, because it would be bad for the country. I think it'd be bad for the court.
Jonathan Turley, thank you for catching us up on that and answering, I asked the dumb questions, but they're the ones that are on my mind. Thank you so much, Jonathan.
Very happy President Trump is going to be our next president. I'm not happy with this New York idiotic, incompetent, foolish Democrat hack, Judge Merchan. Today, he refused to throw out the case against Trump, claiming that the immunity defense that Trump has, courtesy of the Supreme Court, would not invalidate the ruling. He is a nut. He is crazy. He is wrong. And he's keeping this case to satisfy his ego. When this case gets on appeal, it's going to get reversed. Now, Trump can still get out of this case if this idiotic judge dismissed this case in the interest of justice. But let's set that aside. The Supreme Court ruled that official acts are immune to prosecution. And the evidence that was introduced in this idiotic New York case were acts while Trump was president. This judge is definitely a Democrat operative. And I find it offensive that this judge is hanging on to this case for political reasons, not legal reasons. This case should have never been brought to court. One additional side note. Eric Adams is a fraud. Eric Adams is a fraud. He is kissing Trump's ring because he wants a pardon. I don't hear Eric Adams talking about how idiotic this case is against Donald Trump. I don't hear Eric Adams criticizing Alvin Bragg for bringing this idiotic case against Donald Trump. President Trump, do not believe these phony rhinos and these Democrats who are now trying to kiss up to you because they want something. Eric Adams is a fraud, and this judge should be removed from the bench. God bless America. God bless President Trump. God bless you.
An absolute disgrace, man. What do y'all think of that? I'm gonna leave it up to y'all in the comments, man. What do y'all think? I know we all thinking the same thing, you know. I just got to come on here and be real. I know we done made thousands of videos on this, and we covered this whole thing from top to bottom, you know. And that was one. We came, like I tell y'all, man, we came in this thing hating Trump, anti-Trump. Y'all know my history, man. And to come from me, and I thank God that I got a chance to be one of those creators, one of the ones that have the courage to cover all this in the way that I did. You know, some people might not agree or love the way I covered it, but I covered it. And come to find out, a lot of people actually love the way we covered it, you know. But it's just it's a disgrace, man. The things that have taken place, man, I tell you, it's sick, man. But we came out on the winning side, man. We came out on the winning side. Glory to the kingdom, man. God works in mysterious ways, man. Biggest political comeback in history. We seen everything take place, man. Assassination attempts, raids, impeachments, everything, man. Shams after shams after shams. The lady didn't even know what time of day of the month it was. She didn't know what time of the day. She didn't know if it was on Friday or Monday. Yeah. But all of a sudden, Trump committed this. I mean, hey. You know, but it feels good to be on the winning side, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think of all this, man. Y'all know I had to make a video. Come on, you know it was coming. Yeah. But I love y'all, man. Y'all continue to spread that holiday spirit, Christmas love. You know, be a blessing to somebody if you can. We donated to so many people last night. You know, we got to donate to the accident of the illegal that hit over here. It happened literally 10-15 minutes away from me, of that 7-year-old that got, you know, unalived by an illegal in a drunk driving accident. And I'm thankful that I'm able to be a blessing to their family. And then we blessed some other single moms last night as well, other families that are struggling. We supported a couple GoFundMes. So we're gonna keep this thing pushing, man. And I wouldn't be able to do anything if it wasn't for you guys, man. So thank y'all for all the love and support on the channel. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling, baby. Whether you like it or not, we're gonna keep rocking and rolling. And January 20th can't get here any faster. We gotta make America great again, man. It's a disgrace, man. It really is. A lot of people need to be held accountable as well. But I love y'all, and I will catch them beautiful Patriots in the next one. Peace and love, y'all.